Okay, well, it's about 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock? No. Yeah, no, it's about 2 o'clock on a Wednesday. I'm still here in Knoxville. I don't have to film until later tonight. Just have some night scenes, some cool stuff. But I decided, like, you know what? Today could be a nice full day of reviews. So I'm actually walking over right now to this place over here, which used to be a auto shop. Now it's a brewery. So I don't know. I mean, what other reason could it be that I would be here, huh? Can you tell me? Hi, my name is Gabriel Manick. I'm an actor and I am thirsty. Ooh. All right, well, I made it happen. I'm finally trying out another brewery here in Knoxville, Tennessee, over at Abridged Brewing Company. Now, there's a huge list of breweries here in town, and trust me, is my glass moving? Is there a ghost? The glass is literally moving. We're on a hill. Man, it is hot today. But there are so many breweries here in town, and YouTube, I'm not playing the song. It's being played here at the brewery, so don't give me another thing, a copyright thing. Anyway, so yeah, it was also a tough decision to choose which beer I wanted in there. Claire, inside, she's a bartender today, very, very helpful. She listed so many beers, and you saw the shot. They have so many great sounding beers, and apparently a lot of popular ones. But I saw she mentioned the Misidentified No Coast IPA as being her favorite, and I'm like, No Coast IPA? I don't think I've done one on the channel. I don't think I've even had one, but it sounds really, really good. It says that it's a 6.5% IPA, dank, zesty, and bitter. That dank part, man, especially it being hot. I usually would go for like a Pilsner or a lager, but no, man, not today. Not today. I need something with a little more punch, a little more zest in my life. So let's go try this out. First sip's the one that counts when you're thirsty. Whoa, holy crap, that smells so good. It's definitely juicy, and look at this, like it looks like a New England. Come on, New England's on the East Coast. Oh my God, this is really, oh my God, this is so good. I'm sure you guys have seen me do the Chance IPA review, but basically the brewery out of LaGrange, Georgia, Wild Leap, they have a beer called Chance, and it kind of has some Chance vibes here, but I don't know, this may actually be better than Chance. I don't remember what I gave it. I think I gave it maybe like a 7.8 or a 8.1, something like that. This beer is phenomenal. It's definitely got the bitterness coming right through, and that dank. My God, the dank is not shy. The dank tank. This is a dank tank right now, and God, I'm enjoying it. I'm really glad I went with what she liked, because, like I said, I probably would have done a Pilsner or a lager, but I've been doing a lot of them lately, so I want to kind of do some different stuff, show you guys some different stuff, kind of get you out of your comfort zones. Man, I'm just ready to score this, because this is really, really great. By the way, the cool thing about this brewery, see the glass is moving? Let's see if I can turn it. There we go, I turned it. I'm very magical, guys, I have powers. But this place actually used to be an auto mechanic shop, I believe in the 1950s. So see if you see the garage doors. This was a mechanic shop. Also, look at the front here. We got the plants. I don't know if those are hop plants. It would make sense if it was, but really, really, really cool spot. I'm digging it. The inside is really nice as well. So, and obviously they have food. They have a food truck here, and they have a kitchen back there. But good stuff, good stuff. Let's see. Let's score this baby. Oh my God. My God, the citrus comes through. I would say that this is really a New England IPA. And East Coast citrusy, hazy, like, I don't know, this is really good. So I'm gonna give this No Coast IPA. Wow, I'm gonna go with an 8.4. 8.4 on this. This is really good. It's definitely better than Chance. Chance is a solid IPA, but this, man, I'm just loving it. There's nothing bad to say about it. And I guess like the message for today could be about, being misidentified. Misidentified. People always assume who you are based on their own projection of who they are and who they want you to be. But, the most important thing in life, I was talking to this actress that I did some scenes with last week on the show, and I was telling her, it's like, the biggest thing that I could take from the 9 years of so far in this career is that the more you start doing things against yourself, because other people, especially in the industry, are telling you how it could help you and all that, don't go against yourself. Be you. Don't try to be somebody else, even though you're playing another character. That really is you in that circumstance, that situation. So be you and embrace more of the characteristics that you have, and maybe some of the ones that you never knew. That's why going on adventures and going out alone, you really start to get to know yourself. So the journey of being misidentified will lead you to the gateway of being identified with yourself, whatever that means to you. I don't know if that's quotable, but if it is, you know my name, give me the credit. I'll see you on the next review.